the ground, but I still.
Alright, so today I'm going back to Manila after spending a few months here in Borongan in Eastern Samar. So yeah, I enjoyed my stay here. So we had a really good wave from the typhoon Sinlaco, and then of course spending time with my family. My plan is to drive for around 4 to 5 days. So I will be stopping by along the way. What a beautiful view here. Alright, so first stop will be Northern Samar, one of my favorite beach in the Philippines because of its isolation, natural beauty, and of course the waves. And then second stop possibly Albay. I might meet the Albay surfers. And then third stop maybe Kamsur. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so with the current situation in the Middle East, so yeah, the fuel is very expensive now. Pahinga muna tayo. At napakainit, grabe.
Racing my own thoughts into the silence, seeking the guidance I forgot.
So it's a bit hard to come here because it's a single track. Medyo madulas, but it's totally worth it. As you can see, I have the beach to myself and the waves also. So let's relax first while it's still hot. Oh, I got company. Right, so let's go get supply, water and alcohol. That's the most important thing. By the way, hindi ako nakapag-surf ngayon kasi medyo high tide. So I'm looking forward for surf tomorrow. The landowner here give us coconut wine, fresh from the tree. All right, so let's try it. Ah, it's sweet. So it's still sweet because it was just harvested like a few hours ago. is cranking. The tide is going low and the sandbank is getting better. Alright, so it's time to surf. Alright, so yeah, kain tayo. I'm still undecided if I'm continuing my journey later or I'll stay another night here. Alright, so I decided to stay another night here in Northern Samar because I want to surf tomorrow morning again. This morning I had so much fun. Although the waves wasn't that long, but it was clean, glassy, and let's say it's a good size, like shoulder high, head high. The good thing was I have the beach all to myself. So maraming salamat. Thank you to Kagawad Papa. Good morning guys. Alright, so this is my last day dito sa Northern Samar. Unfortunately, the swell had dropped and the wind shows up early. Ito ka na? Sige, salamat kuya. Alright, so uuwi na daw si Kagawad Papa. Salamat sa pagpapatuloy, Kagawad. Alright, so yeah, let's swell a drop. And the wind blows early. So it's light onshore, but still clean. Yun nga lang, it's already small. So it's time to leave and continue my journey towards Manila. Alright, time to say goodbye. Salamat.
Well, I chipped my tooth on a tangerine. And the J,